After 10 years in jail, former Delhi University professor GN Saibaba, who was convicted and sentenced to life for allegedly having Maoist links, was acquitted by a Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court on March 5th. There were 5 others, including a journalist and a JNU student, along with G. Saibaba, who were arrested on terror charges under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, which is UAPA. Now, this is the second time an appellate court has emphasized that the prosecution did not follow due procedure in the case. We tell you all about this story in this video. "59-year-old Saibaba is wheelchair-bound and has been in custody since 2017. He's suffering from partial paralysis of his upper limbs with 90% disability. Saibaba was a professor of English but was suspended after he was arrested by the Maharashtra police for suspected Maoist links. On March 31, 2021, he lost his job entirely. Saibaba and the other accused were arrested between 2013 and 2014 by the Gadchiroli police on allegations that they were members of the banned Communist Party of India Maoist and its frontal group, Revolutionary Democratic Front. According to police, many documents, a hard disk and pen drives were seized from Saibaba's residence. On October 14th, a bench of Justices Rohit Bidyo and Anil Pansare set aside the convictions, ordering the release of all 4 men, including Saibaba, in the case. Narote, the 6th accused, died in August 2022. The bench had said that due process in legal proceedings was required to be followed and ruled that in the absence of a valid sanction under the UAPA Act, the proceedings before the trial court were null and void. As per UAPA provisions, a court cannot take cognizance of an offence until sanction is received from the central or state government. The sanction is to be given within a stipulated time after considering the report by an independent authority that reviews the evidence and gives its recommendation. However, in April 2023, the Supreme Court remanded the matter back to the High Court to be heard afresh by a different bench. Justice Joshi-led bench heard the appeals and closed them for judgment on September 7, 2023. Cut to March 5th, a division bench of Justices Vinay J. Joshi and Valmiki S.A. Menezes of the Bombay High Court on Tuesday held that the prosecution failed to prove the case against the accused and that the sanction under the UAPA Act was null and void. It noted the entire prosecution was vitiated on account of an invalid sanction to prosecute the accused. The court also noted that the trial that was held despite the violation of mandatory provisions of law amounted to a failure of justice. It further pointed out that the prosecution failed to establish legal seizure of material and could not prove any incriminating material against the accused. Therefore, the bench set aside the trial court judgment convicting the accused persons as being unsustainable in the hands of law, allowed the appeals against the same, and acquitted the accused.